Ek het groot kyk, hoor. Ek wat er in.
You just need one good shot. Although if I had 2 shots, you know, because there was more people there. But if you can get that first shot out in 0.6 seconds, that guy wouldn't even know who fired that shot. As jy jou hand hierdeur steek, dan is jy veilig om haar te vang. 100% ja.
So the course up to now has been almost halfway. It really indoctrinates good practice and firearm control, and you put a lot of pressure on the
Comfortable with carrying one up.
us, and you can even see from everybody involved that they radically improve every 15 to 20 minutes, and that's nice.
Definitely worth it. Firearm control, stress-induced situations, different positions, different stress situations. So I personally developed and gelled with the gun quite nicely since the beginning of this course.
So self-defense in true essence only need one. Alright? Only need one shot. We know it because we train now in it. But another person that is not excessive use of force is easy. Excessive force is usually you didn't know the answer, but now you know the answer. The next time around, we're gonna do it better. Alright.
It definitely shows you concepts of how to do things quicker. So shortest path to actually get a shot off on target, whether it's sitting down, shooting with one hand, stuff like that.
I must say this is the first course that we ever had here where the whole string comes in sub 2 seconds. Alright, in the self-defense mindset, physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually, this group has achieved the objective.
Real world, stress-induced responses, knowing how you react, that's very invaluable.
Always be prepared, observe and look at your environment and have a plan and know how to execute that plan.
Main improvement I've noticed is just much more, not confident, feeling much more relaxed when making shots, like not having the same adrenaline rush as well. So you can take them more confidently and be on target and not worry about whether or not you're going to mess with it. Do it fast and be accurate.
Fred, now you go.
Yeah, it's been very useful to replicate real life scenarios where you'd be under pressure, but also practicing restraint so you're not dumping a full mag.
Yeah, doing a Sheldon.
Alright.
I was told I didn't listen to my RO, and I think I improved throughout today. He's happy with me. He's smiling.
I love the self-defense mindset.
I think Jeffrey and the team was a good day today here with everyone, practicing the skills and putting them into real life situations so you can actually get an opportunity to see how fast you can react and improve that time again in real life situations like the sort of hijacking scenario and then a sort of situation closer to a home invasion style scenario. So yeah, it was a good day. Excited for CQ 2 and 3 to continue making progress.
Joffrey, every odd 2 hours make these short videos of us without us having time to prepare for it. So I think it's part of putting you under pressure.
Coming into this exercise, I didn't know what to expect. But with the help of Joffrey and my team, I eventually went in and did my deed. Thank you.
Thinking about self-defense, and I think as I saw everyone progress throughout the day in a period of 7 to 8 hours, how good can we be if we constantly practice and constantly repeat what we're doing.
It's a great time, great day. Lovely to meet other people, like-minded people.
I could place myself in my own situations at home while driving and prepare myself mentally for what I could expect. I could also make my actions a bit more predictable.
And yeah, again, just the thing that stood out the most for me was the constant radical improvement
on what I do in a stressful situation, and I could feel my skill growing as the day progressed.
I think the best part of me of this training was the car training. Beforehand, I didn't even know how I'm going to get the gun out of my holster. within a car, and it just happened through muscle memory. So yeah, thanks Joffrey, thanks team. It has been a wonderful day.
Training with the gun in close proximity to other people, which I've never done before, and getting comfortable handling the gun in a vehicle when there's other people around you, and again just maintaining relaxation. So that really stood out to me.
Maak ons net verander jong, né? Maar kyk, dankie Joffrey vir al die goed wat ons vandag toegepas het. Veral hierdie anti-hijacking afdeling, dis my top 1. Vanoggend toe ek inloop, het ek 'n paar verwagtinge gehad, heeltemal oorskry, heeltemal. Nou dat ek vanmiddag hier wegstap, het ek 'n baie geruste hart, baie geruste mindset in verband met my vuurwapen, in verband met die realiteit daar buite. So in 'n fight or flight scenario het ek die volle vertroue om my vuurwapen te gebruik.
Yes, Joffrey, thanks very much, and I recommend this to anybody that's serious about self-defense.